Hey traders, today we're going to talk about a specific trading instrument that my partner Andy Mann had made millions on, and it's called futures trading or trading futures contract. I've gotten a lot of emails from a lot of you saying, I love to learn more about futures, but what are futures trading? So what I want to do today is explain to you, what futures trading is. Futures basically is trading a contract between the buyer and the seller where the buyer wants to buy a commodity at a specific price in the future. And obviously the seller wants to be able to sell a certain commodity at a specific price in the future as well. Now there's a lot of benefits in terms of trading futures. Is you're able to trade a wide variety of commodities. It could be precious metals such as gold and silver, could be commodities such as crude oil, could be agricultural commodities such as soybeans, wheat, and corn. So you're able to access and trade all these various forms of commodities. The other thing is a lot of these commodities futures contracts are traded 24 hours a day. And the third thing is because these futures contracts are a derivative contract, you're able to trade with leverage. So what we thought we'd do is put together an example to show you how futures trading works.
Man, just looking at this report, it says that the potato crop production is going to be rapidly decreasing. So it looks like potato prices are going to be rising very sharply in the next 2 years. Got to figure a way to lock in these potato prices. Make sure to keep my margins on these potato chips here.
Man, the markets are looking so volatile. And I've been farming for so many years too. I need to lock in my prices so I get to keep my profits.
Hi there, I'm a potato farmer. I was wondering if you'd be interested in buying my future crop of potatoes for the next month at $2.
$2. Actually, I'm just about to lock in those prices at $2. Help me make a healthy profit.
Oh, perfect.
So I've drafted this contract, or I have this contract here. You can sign here. Alright, you can sign here. And we got a deal.
Thank you.
So in this example, we have two parties, a buyer and a seller. So the buyer, who is the potato chip maker, he wants to ensure that his costs, which are in the form of potatoes, remain at a relatively stable price. And in order for him to control his costs, what he does is he goes out in the future and ensures that he can buy potatoes at a certain set price, again guaranteeing him a certain profit margin. Now for the seller, potato farmers, they don't want to have fluctuations in terms of the revenues that they generate. Is they sell their potato inventory into the future, making sure that they are guaranteed at to be able to sell their potatoes at a certain price. So in some sense, these type of contracts actually benefits both the buyer and the seller. The buyer ensuring that he has a fixed certain cost, the seller ensuring that he's able to sell his inventory at a certain price. And hence the reason for creating this futures exchange allows these buyers and sellers to be able to do their transactions. So next time we're going to talk about how do you play the news. How do you trade when company news comes out, or certain economic data comes out, or earnings comes out? How do you play that news? And we'll share with you some ideas on that. So again, make sure to subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and I'll see you guys here next time.